stuff the greatness on me. Yeah. I've been wearing all black like Grim Reaper. Where I kill these beats, it should be elite school. Peanut butter leather, you can't get in here with dirty shoes. In the kitchen, cooking up a smash like I'm supposed to do. Yeah, got me spinning. Oh, let it go, let it go. Man, yeah, I'm addicted. Release that dopamine. Down that road for me. With the boss, so I glass it. It's a classic attack like it landed. All of the time, gotta have it. It's right in my way as a pass. It's right in my way as a pass. Right at the boss, so I glass it. It's a classic. All of my bread in the basket. All of my enemies reacting. All of my faith work in action. And the magic got me shacked up. Pour together got me backed up. Trap music got me masked up. I know the gas, boy, still hitting. Acid, it's a classic attack like it landed. Right at the boss, so I glass it. It's a classic attack, got me laughing. Right in my Everybody wants to find their purpose. Everybody wants something. If I'm gonna be more of anything, I just wanna be more like you. Everybody's gonna worship something, but there's only one name I choose. Gonna be more of anything. I just wanna be more like you. Just wanna be you. Just wanna be more like you. Wanna be more. It's all about you and I, you and I, you and I. Be my dad, I get better with you. Yeah. What the king do? You say you miss me, I come and see you. Yeah. Don't tell and I won't tell. Shorty by my side down the ride and I won't fail. We both know you got us. Baby, I'm stuck on you. Like bubble gum on some blue jeans. And I can hold it down for you. You my main dish on the sides, I know I got more in store, yeah. Talk to me, I like that. Favorite coming with you on the made send them right back. Yeah. And I can hold it down for you. You know that I'm stuck on. Is there anything that I wrote? Somewhere back in the archives, something I can bring from then and this. I didn't try to be someone I never was. Time is a currency, speeding right into the sun. No, really, and you know what they say about the truth? 80 I was dealing with, nothing else was working, and prescriptions on what my kid. Trying to squeeze in 3 hours of sleep and do it again. Lock myself in the studio, any chance I could get. Couldn't afford to throw up a brick, I had to be wet. No job security and no dental or health plans. No second chance flying a plane, train to land. When it pop, you gon' get hell seeking. Dark day, had too many dark days. This ain't music, this a life song. It's the type to keep you focused when the night's long. Right on. Dark day, had too many. My aims getting higher. Dark day, had too many aims getting higher. Yeah. Hop in the five train to stay alive. They were on my sis. Hop in the line, looking at all the signs. Hitting the gas quick. Always bless me. I feel rolling on my back just like a sweat bead. Toxins finally on my pores, that's a cleansing. Yeah. I'm Gucci. Every good thing you could do to me. Right around. Tell the rest of the two-piece. It's a for the ones who on the bottom of the dog. They counting us out. Now we on the top. Yeah. I wanna wake up to you every day. I think I feel like this forever. As long as we're together, wanna know you each and every. Wanna walk it like I talk it, wanna give you everything. Please tell me that you're rocking with it. That you don't really need me for nothing. Cause when you speak to me, it feels right. As we're together, wanna know you each and every way. I promise to be honest when I speak to you. Glory to glory. From faith to faith, I'm moving on, I'm getting older.
Alright y'all, so we have made it to the end of this video. As you can see, I didn't even do any intros. I just came on and started jamming with you guys. All of the music that was featured in this video is Christian R&B / hip-hop. I was kind of on a vibe. It wasn't anything too fast. It was all along the same grooves, and I just did this soft glam, but it's still real smoky. I'm in love with this look. Like, I got on a chain. I'm just feeling real rocker-ish, kind of. I made this hairstyle work. It's actually really cute. So what I'm about to do right now is I'm going to go film some other content, so you will be seeing this look again. If you guys want more videos like this, let me know, because I can definitely just come on here, do my makeup, play some music, and chill with you guys. I tried to show the things that I was using as I was using it to, you know, give you guys a little look at what I'm doing, because I know I'm really bad at doing that when I am doing the client makeup tutorials. But yeah, make sure you're following me on Instagram so that you can keep up with me. Subscribe if you're not already, and if you like faith-based content, fashion, art, beauty, cooking, all that stuff, I do all that over here. So go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. I'm gonna holla at you guys in my next video.